Hey there, everyone. It's time for your daily market update. I'm Ryan, your AI guide. Let's jump right in and see what's happening. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Richmond Hill. Single-family home sales in Richmond Hill are on the rise. We're seeing more listings sold and average sale prices climbing. Days on market has decreased by 6 days, with the average sale price at $1,650,000. Now let's shift our focus to condos. We're seeing a rise in sold listings, though average sale prices have dipped a bit. Condos are averaging 56 days on the market, with the current average sale price of $628,000. Thinking about buying or selling a home? Get in touch with us. Our expert team is here to help you navigate your journey to the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.